YouTube channel. So today's topic is about how you can end the contract of contingent workers in Workday. So we have a full-time workers and we have a contract worker, or we called them as a contract contingent worker. The contract is for 6 months or maybe for 12 months or maybe more than that. Sometimes you can to extend the contracts, but sometimes to end the contract. So how you can end the contact of the contact contingent worker in Workday, that we are going to see today. So as you see, we have she's the contract contingent worker here. Her contract contingent worker ID is here. She's working under financial planning and analysis. So this is her profile. So go to any persons you want to end the contract of. So go to that person's account, and if you see the action button here, click on that, and from here end the contingent contract worker contract. So click on that. So you can add the contract number, contract date. So either you can extend the contract date as well. Suppose if you want to extend that also you can do. And suppose if you want to end it. So both the things will work. How to postpone that, how to make changes into the contract. So you can give the future date. And suppose if you want to end the contract right now, so you can give to whatever date is earlier. So depending upon you. So let's say this contract, let's just take today's date, which is 14th. Let's say voluntary or contract end or dissatisfied or project complete, whatever the reason you can give. Do you want to close the position, or do you want this position for overlaps? So whatever option is suitable for you for the requirement, you can click on that, and let's just submit the process. So now the next step is, like, again it will go to manager will review this process of the contract end, and then once her manager will approve the process, automatically it will be complete. But how this process is looks into the worker's history, that we will see. So you see, end contract of Emma, it is under progress. So we initiated the date, and here you see it is under progress. So manager will approve, then a contract will be officially end in Workday. So yeah, that is it. Hope this helps. Thank you.